The Red Stripe Premier League first leg of semi-finals takes center stage at the National Stadium tomorrow when defending champions Portmore United battle Mount Pleasant and Waterhouse take on Cavalier. Daniel Blake has the preview.
Since their return to the league in 2015, Portmore United have made the semi-finals of the playoffs every season and have gone on to make the final. The defending champions will take on Mount Pleasant in the first of a two-leg semi-final tie in the opening game at the National Stadium. Portmore, finishing top of the table in the league format, not only earned them $1 million, but also 2 weeks rest from the league. A rest which head coach Shavar Thomas thinks will be advantageous.
It definitely gives us some time to rejuvenate, regenerate, and get the people who are injured or nursing injuries to get some time to get better, as well as we could break our team down and work on some things we needed to work on individually and collectively.
Mount Pleasant may have enjoyed some rest themselves, but they had to endure a quarter-final battle with UWI where they came out 3-2 winners on aggregate. The St. Anne-based club has the best defensive record in the league and are unbeaten in their last 14 matches. Manager David Galloway says the team wants to continue their good run in their debut season.
The team is more focused now. They know that come top four, it is one step closer to the finals. And I mean, if we want to be in the top two, as our dream and our desire is to be in the top two, and we know that it only takes more commitment, more hard work, more dedication.
In their 3 meetings this season, both teams have a win each and drew the other. Meanwhile, Waterhouse will be looking to seal a final spot for the second year running. Like Portmore, the Jewsland club has been inactive in the league for 2 weeks after claiming the second automatic semi-final spot. And defender Sean Laws doesn't expect any rust going into the match against Cavalier.
The mindset have to be, we have to strong mentally, physically. So I think we're okay. Not worried about we haven't been playing and stuff like that. I think we're good. Coach Marseguez has done well on the break, so I think we're ready.
Cavalier, on the other hand, are coming off a convincing quarter-final aggregate win over Arnett Gardens. Their recent form, added to the fact that they haven't lost to Waterhouse since 2015, gives the team and assistant coach David Layla an edge.
If you watch the games, you'll see how confident these youngsters are. And they really play with confidence. They're enjoying themselves. And so they've played against Waterhouse before, and they have done well. So at the end of the day, we expect them to do well.
TVJ Sports Network will have live coverage of the Mount Pleasant Portmore encounter at 5:30, while the Waterhouse Cavalier game will be live on TVJ at 8:35 p.m. Daniel Blake, TVJ Sports.